Hey gals and guys, Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and today I'm doing a really simple quick video on how to embed images and also video. I've shown it in my tutorial trainings, and I just want to do a separate video just in case someone's looking for that real quick and don't want to go through a whole video. Very simple. Open up your WordPress admin and we'll go to an article. And then we'll just do a test article here. Just add test. Okay, we'll just put test article. All right. Let's save it as a draft real quick so I get my URL on there. All right, so you put in your whatever you want on. This is my text, all nice and good. All right, so let's add media. Oh, here comes my face again, my pretty face with my morning hair. Look at that. All messy. All right, so you can either use existing photos that you already uploaded or just go to upload, select file. I'm assuming you all know how to download photos. And you can just go and pick a photo and click on it. I don't know. Let's just go with just because I have it there. All right, and pow, boom, bang. All right, it's pretty much downloaded. So if you look at this, it's always good to have something in the. I'll just put like cookbook. This is not a cooking site, but this is just example cookbook. Put something in there so Google can see it. Use your keywords. And then right down here, you can decide what size you want. So I'll go large size. And then feel free to put these in. I mean, caption will help with your ranking. And then just hit that, and there is that. We will save draft again. And then we'll just open, and we'll just open up this. All right, so there it is. You can also, if you go to visual, the visual tab, you can click on this. You can put it anywhere you want. Yeah. So obviously that's center. You can go right, back in the center. You can click on this bad boy. That's the edit. Then you can go in, and if you didn't do before, put in this information. Put in a link if you want. All right. And then if you go back to media, uploaded media, I'm going to click on this. And you might not be able to do it from here. I don't see where you can do it from here. But I'm going to go to media library. Go to media library. This is where you can also upload things. And you can just delete permanently if you want to delete it. All right, we'll go back to the article. And it's the same thing with video. So we'll add an article. And then we'll go back to text. Yeah, I'll just down a little bit. Oops. And then we'll go back to media. Upload. I have media right here I can embed, but it's the same as a picture. I mean, you're doing the exact same thing. And I'll just, I don't know, I'll just upload this. Okay, that's going to take some time. It's because it's a video file, so I'll just grab on that. Just pretend it already uploaded. Make sure you put in a title. All right, and there it is. If you want to center the video, you can just use the center tag. Save draft. And all right, guys and gals, make sure you like, subscribe, share, ring the little dingy below. I would appreciate it. Let's just, and there's the video right there, and there's your picture. Okay, guys and gals, I want to do that real quick for you. Make it a separate video. Someone's dinging me over there. And that's it. Take care now. Bye-bye.